Sharma from losingyourmind.com, and today we are talking about the pandemic situation and how it has affected the rural tourism of Sikkim and how they are dealing with such kind of situation which was never experienced before. So to speak about it, we have Mr. Barun Sharma, an entrepreneur and a proprietor of Red Mud Chalet, a resort located at Barmyok, West Sikkim. Hello, sir.
Hello.
You have such a beautiful property.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for taking out your time to speak to us. So it's been 4.5 months, to be specific, that the business has been completely shut down. And this period was supposed to be the peak hour for tourism, where the tourists would love to come to visit here. So how are you dealing with such kind of situation which was never experienced before?
Thank you for letting me speak on this. And thank you for liking my property up. And talking about the topic of pandemic situation which is happening right now, it has really hampered our business, not only our business and small scale industries along with its small institutes like us. It's hampering in such a way that it's taken out to our brains. It's been almost 4.5 months, like pandemic is covering almost all of the world. And talking about small businesses like us who are in tourism business, like what you said, see, paying our employees is a tough thing right now because the income isn't there. The hotel is shut almost nearing a fifth month right now, so we are unable to pay our employees. So the relationship between our staffs, relationship with family members, because of the depression which is happening in our brains during this 5 months, a new kind of depression kind of thing, a COVID depression which is happening, has really taken out to our brains, and it's really tough for us to deal with such kind of situations.
So you came up with a new word, COVID depression. I think everyone around us, whether it be in a tourism sector or whether it be in any other kind of business sector, may be facing the same kind of situation. So is it really pressurizing things, or how are you mentally dealing with?
Well, the COVID depression, what I said, came out some months back when I was in this lockdown period and thinking, lingering my mind here and there. Nothing much was happening, nothing positive was happening. All the negative thoughts would run in my mind, and I would sleep, not able to sleep, not able to concentrate on my family relationships. So I was thinking, like, I guess I am in a depression, and what more good word to put depression in COVID in front. So that's how the COVID depression came out. And it's tough dealing with this kind of situations, but you need to be positive because everyone should take it in a positive way. I do yoga in the morning a bit. I have started during this COVID period. My mind is a bit fresh right now. Some positive thoughts. I read books. I play guitar a bit. I walk, wearing a mask. But you need to deal with tough situations like this and hope the situation gets over and it gets normal.
So we really don't know when this situation is gonna end. So till then, have you thought of any other options?
Well, see, a business owner like me, a small entrepreneur like me, has always a plan B in mind. So plan A, suppose it fails out, so I need to take out plan B. That's how a positive mind thinks.
What do you think of our channel creating awareness on mental health right now?
Well, that's the need of the hour right now. Right from the frontline warriors, the health staffs, the police personals, and everyone involved, and to the deepest part of a village or a country, to the farmers, everyone needs this mental awareness right now. And hats off to you for starting such awareness program of Loosen Your Mind. And more such consultants, more such people like us, more young entrepreneurs, more positive thinking people, I guess you'd interview them and let the normal people know about this case and think positive and make your mental toughness a bit stronger.
This is my last question to you. Do you have any advice for the young entrepreneurs like you to how to stay positive in this kind of situation?
See, positive out of 100%, even I am negative 60 and positive 40. But the situation isn't hampering me only. It's hampering almost everyone. So I take it the opposite way. So I take it almost 100% positive in a sense that there would be light at the end of the tunnel. This pandemic would get over any time, and think positive, be positive, let the creative ideas come into a head, have a good relationship with your parents, your family, your wife, your kids. Be free to talk about such mental illness if you are facing such depression, be free to talk about it. And yes, there's always lose on your mind. You can contact them, you can call their numbers, you can like, subscribe, like me what I did. So you can always do that.
Thank you so much for speaking on this, and we really appreciate whatever ideas you have given us and given everyone around you.
Thank you so much for calling me. So hopefully the vaccine comes out and this situation gets over and we are able to normalize our business soon.
We are really grateful to Mr. Barun Sharma who has taken out the time to speak to us. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Lose Your Mind and hit that bell icon to get the regular updates of my new videos. And do write in the comment section below what you are doing to stay positive in this pandemic situation. And don't forget to like and share it to your friends. Thank you so much.